Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Rich Haircut Professional. I hope you all are good, and this time I bought something mesmerizing, bouncy and demanded haircut which called butterfly layers. And after a long time I bought with something long video. In this video detailedly I'm explaining to you all of you for each and every point, layerings and elevations. It's completely will very much detailed in this video, but this video will take a little longer to, but ensure end up they will definitely will be enjoy the complete of video. Must watch till the end. You're going to be understand exactly how it works, butterfly layer haircut, and how it will become the layers, and where will we save the length and where we'll add the layers. Lot more things you're going to be learned, each and every small points and all in this haircut. I'm really thank you for all to keep supporting with the previous videos to gain with very good views, and thank you for supporting for such a way to be improving the haircut skills and lot more things we just implement and all. So before that, want to be share with you again, last time as for explained with the iconic cutting gift I bought for only specially professionalism to the haircut purpose, who really wants and particularly love to cut the hair, and also it's pretty much quite professional way and they want to see something clean and neat. So that's the regard I bought iconic cutting gift for especially to show them to, and finishing results will be pretty much good in this. So thank you so much for giving me such an ideas I never thought to, and really improving a lot of things to be changed. And all section got separated and help up to the comb also I'm going to be explaining you guys. The same thing from the back portion as well. Now I started with a one length basic haircut from the back. Just 1.5 inch I given to just one length basic. So after that I'm just giving just bottom layers. It's bottom portion saving the length 60 degree and rest of the remain hair converting the layers. It's called 60 degree layer graduation haircut. After that small bit of the section guideline I just took, the rest of the bottom hair got separate. After that I release its center crown, and after that I just take that guideline and connect the rest of the hair towards slightly 120 degree and just elevating diagonal forward angles, and bottom length I'm just keep saving. So ensure when you do the haircut, just take small section and convert in that small section is layering So how much thin section is just going to be take, that much layers will become clean and neat. So this is every my video I'm just used to explain these things, and I just keep following the same things each and every haircut videos. The end results definitely it will comes out very well, there is no doubt for that. So that is my key of consistency of working with very hard and professional way and just keeping all the haircuts clean and neat. After that I'm cross checking. Then I come to other side and the same stationary guideline and just pick from another side and just rest of the hair converting the layers in vertical way, section by section, thin section I just do. The last section going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. Both the side completely even. After that again I'm cross checking the previous layers. Then after I jump to another side, a side portion. Before start the layer, I'm just giving to the one line basic. That I'm just converting in the layers. And again another section, one more section. After that, last section what remain. That small hair in the front cover part, I'm just giving the small forward layers, the feathering layers. My client was expecting something volume at multiple layers and bouncy look. And of course she was carried something thick dense and hair texture was little bit straightened, and this is ultimately suits certain hair to combination of the layers. That's the regards I just add some the front layers as well. After that I come on the side and same thing like before, start the layering and just take to the one line basic, completely connecting. After that I just pick stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair converting in the layers. So complete the both the sides going to be finished. Now I'm just taking to same what we done the previous side, taking as to the guideline and rest of it, creating to the forward layers. Then after exactly the center of the crown, I just pick from guideline. Connect the exactly crown section as a guideline and rest of the hair going to be converted in the layers. Before that I'm just going to be conversion of the small tinge up to the guideline. Now rest of the hair going to convert in that layers. After that I come to another side, that also going to be finished faster. After that I'm just going to check cross. Now I come to fringe portion. Before giving to the fringes, I'm just giving as taking guideline with horizontal section below the nose. And after that I'm just that portions as taking a guideline. And just giving pointed haircut. And one more section is tweak. After that I'm just connecting in the layer technique at setting point. So this is my complete cut got finished. After that I just taking to as natural layers before the blow dry and after messy blow dry. I'm just showing you before the starting the styling, and you can just see completely messy look and perfect layers with a tensier and voluminous look completely. It's looking very nice and clean. All the sides pretty much good layers, you can just see very clearly, and hopefully this can easily understand you guys, and also you guys are hopefully enjoyed. After that I'm just going to start the blow dry, and before that I'm just showing that to the ponytail as well before the styling. After that I come to the styling. Simple. The spiral blow dry can be given in look and out look and multiple flipping out look also. However, you can just take multiple things. It will be going in this blending in this styling techniques. So that's a regard I'm just going to give it spiral blow dry and easy to convenient and give a nicely finishing on the blow dry techniques, and hair also visible very much thickening look and good strengthened look, and blow also it will becomes a very good neat and clean and volume look also will be visible in this technique. So that's a regard I just take these techniques for each and every long hair blow dry. After that another side also going to be finished faster. After that I come to side portion. After that I'm coming to another side. After that I come to crown portion. That will be going to be finished, and last section got remain the front fringes. Before that I'm just center crown the hair, which can I'm just giving too much of volume blow dry. Why? Because I want to show something bouncy look. That's why I'm just giving too much of heat, and that got released. Now I come to front portion last section. That will be going to be finished. Portion last section. That will be going to be finished. The last section got finished. This is complete a final look. You can just see completely the layers. After blow dry, it will be completely mesmerizingly, it will be booming up and showing, blasting completely up, shiny and finishing and dense layer you can just see. And this is a final look. Hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. In this, if you have a doubts, any comments, please let me know in the comments below. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. And this video I'm minimum expecting 600 likes and hope you do so. And please do subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe. Hit the bell icon for every time updated notifications. This is completely a butterfly layer technique transformation. How is this completely finishing? Please let me know in the comments after watching this complete up video. And please let me know if I want to improve something on somewhere else. Please let me know small. This is a completely technique of the haircut which is called the butterfly layers. And in this, as I told you before, step by step each and every section I mentioned and explained very clearly. After that I'm just giving the texture and final punch finishing I'm just giving it. That will be wind up the complete of the haircut section of layering. Please do subscribe to my channel, please, and suggest your friends too who wants to watch such a videos. Do share with them, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. And more related video I will mention below in the description. And also, if you didn't follow my Facebook page and Instagram, please follow my Facebook page and Instagram as well. And those links also mentioned in the description. Please go and check and let me know on Instagram and Facebook. So this is complete after a haircut texture finishing will be going to be finished. Just giving to small of zigzag sections with a crown portion of the additional layers. So something that will be pinching up to something long last more and give a neat and clean finishing. This is my final look, and hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.